Well, hey there, Linda Borgie here from Farmyard, and I figured I had better go live with this before it's done. So, today, biodynamically speaking, is a fruit day, which means tomatoes. And there are my blueberry tomatoes, black and blue they're going to be. And there are 4 of them planted so far. Okay? Because tomatoes are really hungry, and I have an eggplant factory here that processes 7,000 pounds of eggplant every week, I dug a nice deep hole and I'm putting the skins in. And then on top of that, I'm using a bagged product they have down here called Black Cow. After that, I plant the tomato, make a big mound, and on Thursday, I will stir and spray the biodynamic preparations. Compost tea in a box. So there you go. I'm getting ready to finish this up. I said, I better film it first. All right, kiddos, catch you on the flip side. And until then, grow healthy, people.